Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is video 5 of our data analytics journey. I'm really sorry for the delay. I spent some extra time planning and preparing this video, and now we will learn the data analytics lifecycle, one of the most important concepts. I'll explain it step by step with simple examples and clear visuals so you'll understand how data analysts solve real business problems. So please make sure to watch this video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right now and join the ChanduEDU family.
On your screen, you can see the complete agenda for today's video. Let's quickly look at what all topics we are going to cover. First, we will understand what the data analytics lifecycle is and why every big company strictly follows this process. After that, we will go step by step through all 6 main stages, starting from defining the business problem, collecting and cleaning raw data, to performing analysis, creating dashboards, and making final business decisions. To keep things super practical, we will also discuss a real-world case study like Swiggy or Amazon, cover common mistakes you should avoid as a beginner, and finish with a complete recap. So, without any delay, let's jump straight into topic number 1. So, what exactly is the data analytics lifecycle? Simply understand that it is a structured, step-by-step framework that helps data professionals convert raw data, messy numbers, into valuable business insights. Many beginners make the mistake of jumping directly into writing complex SQL code or creating dashboards in Power BI, but real analysts follow a systematic process to ensure everything is accurate and meaningful. This life cycle covers the entire journey, starting right from understanding the core business problem, collecting and cleaning the data, analyzing trends, to making final strategic decisions. Understanding this process is super important because every top company relies on it daily to solve real-world business challenges and drive continuous growth. Now understand, why does every business actually need a proper data analytics process? Without a clear process, companies end up making very costly mistakes based on wrong or incomplete data. Having a proper workflow helps businesses minimize risks, streamline daily operations, and really understand customer behavior. Whether it's an e-commerce platform predicting stock demand or a food delivery app trying to cut down delivery times, structured analytics transforms pure guesswork into confident strategy. It saves time, uses resources efficiently, and drives higher profits. Let's learn the complete data analytics life cycle step by step. So, here are the 6 core steps of the data analytics life cycle. As you can see, the process follows a systematic approach to turn raw numbers into actionable business insights. It starts with Step 1, business problem identification, followed by Step 2, data collection, Step 3, data cleaning and preparation, Step 4, data analysis, Step 5, data visualization, and finally, Step 6, insights and decision making. In the coming slides, we will explore each of these 6 steps in detail with practical real-life examples. Step 1 is business problem identification, and remember, every project starts with a clear question, not with data. In this stage, analysts work with stakeholders to define goals and KPIs. For example, if sales drop by 20% in a region, our job is to ask, why did sales fall and how can we reverse the trend? Asking the right questions early saves time and gives you a clear roadmap for the rest of the project. Key takeaway: the right question leads to the right analysis, which leads to the right business decisions. Once the business problem is clear, Step 2 is data collection. Data comes from multiple sources like company databases, websites, mobile apps, customer surveys, and social media into a central database. Always remember, the quality of your analysis directly depends on the quality of data you collect. Gathering accurate and relevant data right here is essential to get reliable insights and make better business decisions. Step 3 is data cleaning and preparation, the most crucial phase in the entire life cycle. Raw data is almost always messy, incomplete, and filled with errors like missing values, duplicates, or wrong date formats. Here, using tools like Excel, SQL, or Python, we clean and standardize everything. Always remember the golden rule: garbage in means garbage out. If your data is dirty, your final reports will be wrong. Cleaning your data properly ensures all your calculations, dashboards, and decisions stay 100% reliable and accurate. Once the data is clean, step 4 is data analysis, where the real magic happens. In this step, analysts use tools like Excel, SQL, Python, or Power BI to explore the numbers. We identify sales trends, compare performance across categories, calculate key metrics, and write queries to answer critical business questions. The main goal here is to discover hidden patterns inside the data and turn raw numbers into useful, actionable insights. Data analysis is what helps businesses stop guessing and start making smarter, data-driven decisions. Now comes step 5, data visualization. Raw numbers and huge tables can be very confusing for business leaders to read. So, analysts present their findings using visual charts, graphs, and interactive dashboards. A well-designed dashboard translates complex data into simple visual stories. It allows managers and decision-makers to instantly spot sales trends, identify business problems, and uncover new growth opportunities without digging through thousands of rows of raw data. Visuals bridge the gap between technical data work and business decisions. Finally, we reach step 6, insights and decision-making, which is the ultimate destination of the whole process. Remember, the goal of data analytics is never just to build fancy charts or reports, it's to guide better business decisions. Analysts interpret the data and provide actionable recommendations based on solid evidence. Business managers and CEOs then use these insights to improve products, boost sales, cut unnecessary costs, or fix operational issues. Data-driven decisions are always far more reliable than pure gut feeling or guesswork. When you back your choices with data, better decisions lead directly to real business growth. Now, let's understand how all 6 steps work together using a real-world Swiggy example. Suppose Swiggy notices a sudden drop in food orders in Hyderabad. Here's how the analytics team solves it. Step 1. They define the business problem. Why are orders decreasing? Step 2. They collect data on orders, customers, delivery times, traffic, and weather. Step 3. They clean and prepare the dataset by fixing errors and missing values. Step 4. During analysis, they uncover that delivery times increased sharply due to heavy traffic in specific areas. Step 5. They visualize this on a dashboard showing a 40-minute average delay. Step 6. Finally, based on these insights, Swiggy adjusts delivery zones and adds more delivery partners in high-traffic areas, successfully solving the issue. This is how real companies turn raw data into smart business solutions. Now, let's talk about the common mistakes most beginners make in the analytics process so you can avoid them. Skipping data cleaning, jumping straight into charts without cleaning raw data first. Ignoring business context, analyzing numbers without understanding the actual business problem. Overlooking missing values, ignoring missing or wrong data, which completely ruins your analysis. Overcomplicating dashboards, creating complex, messy charts instead of delivering clear, simple insights. Not validating data, failing to check data quality, leading to wrong conclusions and poor decisions. Avoid these 5 mistakes, and your analytics work will instantly stand out as high quality and professional. Let's do a quick recap of the complete data analytics life cycle. Every successful analytics project follows this exact journey: business problem, identify and define the core problem clearly. Data collection, gather relevant data from multiple sources. Data cleaning, fix errors, duplicates, and inconsistencies. Data analysis, explore patterns and answer business questions. Data visualization, present findings clearly using charts and dashboards. Insights, extract meaningful recommendations. Business decision, make data-driven decisions to take action and drive real results. Mastering this life cycle is one of the most important skills for any aspiring data analyst. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more practical data analytics content. See you in the next video.